Alright everybody, today I will be showing you, well, we're taking apart this DEERE 325G skid steer right here. We have it all up in the air because we're trying to find, because, what's leaking out again? Hydraulic fluid. Okay. So we have it all taken out, apart pretty much. It's neat to see all inside here. All the mechanics. Later on in the video, you'll get to see us putting it back together. What'd you do with these? The one here? Did you move them?
Off because we're going to lower this down again.
Oh, we're lowering it? Is the thing fixed?
I don't know.
I had no idea what she meant. Oh, yeah. Come on to this. This is the red bar there. Normally, that's the safety. If that slides down into there, this would be able to go down back into its normal position. And then we have the bucket way up in the air. It's really neat to see all this stuff. So I'm pretty sure that is the engine.
Engine back there.
The engine's more back.
Hydraulic pump.
Okay, that's the hydraulic pump there. And then the engine's back there somewhere. And so yeah, you can see down there, that's hydraulic fluid, I'm pretty sure. I'm trying to figure out where it's leaking, but we're gonna lower the cabin back down, 100% sure why. Wait, if we haven't stopped the leak, how come we're lowering the back?
I tightened something up.
Oh.
So that did it.
Oh, okay. So you tightened something. So we're gonna see if it stopped it. Was it loose looking?
Yeah.
Okay, so we think we might have found it.
Okay, but I need you to put your tablet down.
Yeah.
And what's gonna happen? I'm gonna push up on this.
We're gonna push up on that.
And we're gonna push this in.
We're gonna push that in.
You can reach me. You can do that. Huh?
I'm moving that there so that
So push that red thing in. See?
Red thing.
Yeah.
Is it gonna immediately?
No, I'm holding it up right now. Push it in. I'm gonna slowly let down. Wait, you gotta wait. Okay, watch your fingers. You can do this by yourself, actually.
It's coming down.
Wide open. Now I'm gonna try and sit in here without touching anything.
You just won't be able to shut the door, really.
I just have to start it.
Don't move the tracks. You're trying to take me on the track. Oh no. I said don't move the tracks because of how much stuff we have on the tracks.
I forgot about that actually. Lucky you.
Yeah, because if that fell, that'd be a mess. All these balls.
So, I need some more. What do you do with that red? Oh,
Oh, look at the size of this wrench. It's a big wrench.
What?
It's a really big wrench. Compared to all the other wrenches. Oh, come on, go for it.
Are you recording?
Yeah, still recording. So we're gonna have to lift it back up and then put that other piece back in.
Yeah. So we're gonna.
It did stop leaking.
I think so. By then we give it a few minutes and
For what?
just make sure.
Okay.
Not hydraulic fluid.
Huh?
You need lots of hydraulic fluid.
So you're gonna need to refill it maybe later?
Oh, we need to before we do anything.
Well, normally there'd be a floor here, but we have it taken out. It's over there. So it just sort of drops down into there, but yeah. It's pretty comfortable. I've been in it and I've drove it too. It's actually a pretty good view. If only I had something to balance this up against.
Oh, yeah, that's part of the plan, but I want to get some part of the plan. Yeah, I got the whole
Nice.
rest there so I can wash it all down. But then I noticed, you know, in the bottom of that footrest, that's a big, it's a rubber mat, and then there's a drain plug, so you can sit there and wash that footrest out. Literally, I know.
What? What? What do you want? Oh, my dogs are whining at the door because they don't know what we're doing.
No, because we're going to be in there cleaning up anyway, right?
Also, this video seems to get a ton of views and likes. I'm going to do more videos on machines like this.
Oh, no. You need a hand? I can shoot over. Yeah.
An apple just fell out of the tree.
Yeah.
And I'm going to see if I can get a video.
Yeah, you want to play with
An apple fell out of the tree.
Yeah. Yeah.
Feel So nothing's gonna fall, but there's that many apples on the ground. I swear, one's gonna probably fall now, like, look away.
Yeah.
I just found something. I just found in my pocket. So look at this neat thing. Pretty noisy though. It's covered in dust.
Is it distribution block? There's a distribution block here. There's a plug in the side here. Okay, that's all.
So do we know if it's solved or not?
No, it's not solved.
It's still leaking? How long do you think it'll be leaking for?
Huh?
How long do you think it'll be leaking for?
Oh, I don't know. Gotta...
Do we have any clue what's going on?
Yeah, I can see where it's leaking now.
Where is it leaking from?
Right here.
So how do we stop it from leaking?
Oh, that's what I'm trying to figure out right now.
Leaking from right. Not the best perspective, but yeah, right in there. Yeah, no, you really don't want a ton of tracks. There's a ton of things on them. What?
This one hose is right in the way.
Oh, the one metal hose?
Yeah.
That's sort of inconvenient, and that's where it's leaking from, too. Talk about inconvenient. Any luck on finding anything that might work?
This might give it a now.
Okay. Didn't you already have one out here?
Huh?
Didn't you already have one of those out here?
Something like it, but not the same.
What happened to it?
Underneath all of our tools.
Oh yeah, I see it. It's like a crowbar sort of.
Oh, look at that.
What?
Yeah.
Look at what?
I'll show you. Something really funny. Not funny for me, but funny.
What was it?
You know how loose that is.
Okay, that's pretty loose. Okay, I know you guys can have. That is loose, that thing.
But now I'm going to try and find. I don't know if the rubber washer's any good on it.
Or was it just too loose? Oh, was that gonna start spewing out our stuff?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Maybe beforehand we should find the washer if we're gonna.
Yeah, I'm gonna. But it wasn't tight at all.
So maybe
Like,
let's just try tightening it first before we get a whole new
yeah,
washer.
like it's.
Got some sort of contraption. Yeah, this one. Dang it. Good. Is it tight enough, do you think? Don't move the tracks.
No.
Your phone's on the tracks now, too.
Huh?
So your phone's also now on the track.
Yeah. Oh, no,
No, I'm moving the phone off. Okay, so we believe we found the problem. What you doing? Oh, you're trying to find another bolt?
Trying to see if I have rubber I know I have rubber washers somewhere.
Mm. That's a lot of weird stuff.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
No rubber washers.
Yeah, let's just see if that's stuff leaking anyways.
So if it is leaking, then we'll lose more. But how are we going to tell if it's leaking or not?
Oh, no, that's a problem.
So we'll start it for a second, maybe?
Yeah.
Just start it for long enough. Not leaking!
Huh? No?
I think we're good. It's not leaking. At least I don't see anything. Do you see anything?
I'm going to get it first. Are you still recording?
Huh?
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
It doesn't look like it's leaking now.
It does?
No.
It doesn't. So we solved it?
I think so.
Alright, so now we have to get that back in?
No, we gotta get hydraulic fluid, fill it.
Oh.
Where's my phone?
Oh, I have it.
Okay. I need to go.
Where are we going to get hydraulic fluid from? Huh?
Bangkok.
No, according to that, okay, guys, I'm going to have to do a part 2 to this. Alright, so now we're just going to Bancroft after this to go.
Tell me. I want to put a few tools that impact's gonna go away.
You sure you don't have any?
No.
So we're gonna have to go to bank to get it?
Yeah.
Okay. When we going?
Couple minutes.
Hey guys, keep an eye out for part 2. It will be coming out whenever it comes out. I don't know exactly when, but just know it will be coming out. And please subscribe, because I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers by the end of the year. So yeah, trying to reach 100 subscribers by 2024. Yeah, 2024 will be next year. Jeez, seems so weird. Hey, no! How about game? Alright. Keep an eye out for part 2. It'll be coming out soon or not. I have no idea. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, subscribe and like, please.